Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing safe and well. Since a lot of us are stuck at home, we thought it would be a nice idea to try out a decorative craft from leaves and other materials that are easily available around the house. These are the things we're going to need: acrylic paint, paint brushes, water, and these are the optional materials: a color palette, earbuds, pencils, toothpicks, and pen caps. These are going to be used as coloring tools. Here's a few tips before we start. So, when you get the leaves, make sure to get leaves of different colors, types, shapes, and sizes so that in the end you have many different types of leaves and a huge variety. So if you don't have acrylic paint at home, use poster colors, but make sure to add in some white glue to the poster colors as you paint. Let's get started. The first step is to take a leaf and paint it in white acrylic paint. What we're going to do is to draw on some dark blue scribbly lines, and then we're going to color a few in. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button down below and subscribe for more videos. Do try this craft out at home and comment down below how it went. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.